my name is Elieen. Which do you prefer, chicken or pizza? I like both, but I like chicken more. It is because if I eat pizza, I should eat vegetable too. And I like chicken leg. Also, I eat chicken more than pizza. My first reason is if I eat pizza, I should eat vegetable too. It is because pizza have mushroom, onion and olive. So my parents buy pizza, I eat only meat pizza. Also, if I eat chicken, I don't eat vegetable, but I eat pickle and onion last time. My second reason is I like chicken legs. It is because chicken legs have more meat. But if I eat chicken wing, I don't eat chicken many. And it is very delicious more other chicken. So I always eat chicken legs, but my mom only gave me chicken wings. My third reason is I eat chicken more than pizza. It is because I eat chicken every week, and my family loves chicken too. Also, if I want to eat it, my mom has chicken coupon, so I can eat chicken when I want to eat it. In conclusion, I prefer chicken. It is because if I eat pizza, I should eat vegetable too. And I like chicken leg. Also, I eat chicken more than pizza. Thank you for listening.